Hey, what's up? John Shred here, and today I'm installing this ESR ultra tempered glass screen protector kit on my wife's iPhone 15. As you can see here, she has cracked the last, oh, you can see it all across here, big spider crack. The last screen. And so part of Christmas present, the stocking stuffer this year was this tempered glass solution. Let's try it out. I haven't installed this one in the past. I figured I'd try something a little bit different. So let's unbox it and get it installed. Box is big. Okay, what do I have here? Oh yeah, that was interesting. So this one comes with like a little protector that's going to go on the on the camera side, which is kind of cool. I've never installed one of those, so we'll see what happens there. Let's see what else we have here in the box. Manual, we'll look at the application guide in a second. Some wet wipes, pretty important. And how to install the other piece. Okay, then we have the actual unit itself. There's supposed to be 3 of them in here. A foam piece for under the phone, so let's keep that there. There's supposed to be 3. How does this work? Press here. Where are the, maybe the other ones are in here? Hold on. Aha! Okay, so the other ones, 1, 2, the other ones are in the box, so you do not need those. Okay, first thing first, remove the old case. This here is a Kadabi sheath case. Check out my full video on all the Kadabi series. I'll put a link here. It's looking pretty bad. Let's remove the old one. It should just, oh yeah. It's very much cracked. Clean it first, remove dust, throw the case on. Okay. Clean it. Wipe it down, remove dust, slap this on top. Pro tip when doing the dust collector piece, get a flashlight from or another phone that has a flashlight, turn it on and point it at the top of the phone. You'll be able to see dust particles a lot better. Looks pretty good. Okay, literally just says lay it on top. And it says press here. So hold it here tight. You can actually see it, can you see it kind of going across? And then lift it up. Okay, ta-da, that's off. You can see here there's one pretty big bubble. If you don't have a tool such as this, a credit card works. Anything that has kind of a soft surface, you can just press out any of the extra little bubbles. This big one here, I'm gonna try and go to, just push it all off the side. Bye-bye. That was a pretty flawless install. Let's see if we can see it. Yeah, see, 0 bubbles across. That's it. I mean, it's on, no bubbles, which is great. Like I say, I pushed it off with this thing. I would say that's thumbs. Ah, I almost forgot the other side. Here, let's put on the last piece. Let's clean the cameras and the lenses here. Oh yeah, they have separate instructions. 1, clean it. 2, peel off the back. 3, stick it on like that. Pull this bigger piece off. Slide this, oh yeah, it definitely covers it. On. Oh, maybe it punches them out? I can't really see what's happening right now. Pick it up. Yeah, there's definitely tiny little screen protectors. Let's see if we can get a closer look here. Tiny little screen protectors that are on top of each of the lenses. So, and then we can just slap everything back into its actual case. Everything fits perfectly. Lenses are protected. Okay, now we are done. Not too bad. Like I say, The front went on super easy. The little applicator piece, we can keep this and reuse it. I don't know how, but anyway, I'll keep that. We can reuse it if we do need to do it again. If we happen to break this one, it does say on the box this thing is 110 pounds of force. Let's see here. It's a flawless fit. It did fit really well. 110 pounds of force. There's no way I want to put that type of force against my phone. But hey, it is great. Like I say, my first time installing an ESR tempered glass cover. That was pretty easy. I would say 2 thumbs up. If you'd like to get one for your iPhone or your other mobile device, I will leave a link down below from Amazon. And if you use the code, I will get a few dollars. So thank you very much. Appreciated. See you in the next video.